Now, power is becoming a critical component of everyday life. The ability to be able to charge your smartphone, your laptop, your tablet, whatever device may be, is important. And if you could do it at top speed, it's even more important. And if you travel like I do, you found yourself on planes where the power ports may not work or there's just no room to get there. So, in today's video, we're going to talk about a brand new product that is right now in Kickstarter from a company that we've actually looked at quite a bit, and that is Sharge. So Charge is just releasing now the Shargeek 300 power bank. And that number 300 means something. This is a TSA safe or approved type power bank that you can take on a plane. But more importantly, it's something for those of you who don't travel that you can put in any backpack and charge all your devices at the fastest possible rate. We're talking about 240 watts of power to charge, again, all your power hungry devices. And if you're a household where you have more than one laptop and you travel together, that means that you can charge two laptops at the same time using this guy right here. Let's go to check it out. Now, we've been testing out the Charge 300 power bank for several weeks now. And I'll tell you, the power bank has several standout features that we're going to look at. And then I'm going to share with you kind of some of the things that I found that are really important. So first of all, this power bank has a display that you can see, very colorful, vivid display. It's going to tell you everything about the power bank. In many cases, I have to buy these additional adapters that tell me about the charging rate, the power consumption, how fast is it charging, how fast is it discharging, the state of the battery. All those things are going to be displayed in the unit. So it has a great display. You have RGB lighting, and that RGB lighting is not just giving you a cool effect, but it's also going to tell you about your battery level. So it does it in two ways. Both it indicates it by number, but then it does it by display. It has an adjustable DC output, which is kind of strange for me because I would never expect a battery to be able to power DC. You also then have the airline-safe, as I mentioned, and then it has a transparent design. Let's go ahead and see the actual product because it's actually really well constructed. It looks great too. So we'll put this box over here and we'll take this out. The actual battery itself is not on the small side because of the capacity, right? But it's also not on the big side either. Couple things that you're going to have in addition to what we have in the box. So you're going to have your battery, and then you have some accessories, including a user guide, right? That you have here. You have a real nice charging cable, and this is going to be a really fast charging cable and a little bag. I'm kind of the guy that puts things in little baggies, when, especially if I'm traveling on a plane or have it on a backpack, just because I like keeping everything separate. But the case itself is also scratch resistant, right? And this is a metal type construction. You can see that you have see-through in the back. You have, again, flat surface here. It's not square. It's kind of rounded, but it rests well here. You can see large display, a lot of cool electronic stuff going on. And then what you have over here are all of your buttons. You have two USB-C ports that are going to dish out 240 watts. You also then have a USB-A, you also have your DC, and then you have your controls. I'm going to power this up, and I just want you to see what happens. Go ahead and press that button. Press yes. So here you have the power display showing you, again, everything about the battery. Now, I've discharged it slightly because I want you to see how fast it charges, but also I want to show you how fast it discharges. And that's not a bad thing because as it's discharging, it means that it's charging something at the same rate that it's discharging. So it's okay for the battery to go down really fast if it's charging something very fast. And you're going to see that in a couple seconds. So here, basically, you have a full menu. The buttons right here, let me show you this, basically allow you to go through the actual menu. And we'll put this in an angle right here. Let's see if that will come up. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. All right, so here you can actually go through this menu and you can see all these different aspects, every USB port. You can see the power curve. You could also see the health of the batteries. You can go into a setup area to work on RGB lighting settings and things of that nature. So what I'm going to do is let's put it to work, right? So let's have it charge this MacBook Pro. I'm going to go ahead and place one in here, and I want you to see what's going on. Let's go ahead and zoom out again. Now, this MacBook Pro is last year's edition. It is 16-inch, and what we're going to do is plug this in and see the power rate. So I'm going to keep this here on display so that you guys can see this really well. So I'll keep this in an angle, and I'm going to plug it in. Now, as soon as I plug it in, you notice that the RGB lighting came on. It's discharging, and what you'll see is it is charging at 39 point, now 47 watts. That's how much the MacBook Pro is pulling. Now keep in mind that you're going to be able to do two MacBook Pros at the same time. You'd be able to do a laptop, a tablet, three devices, your phones. And with the phones, it's going to do super fast charging. So if you're thinking about a Samsung phone, it's going to do it at the fastest possible rate. So there's a lot of different charging options. Now, look at the percentage here. It's right now 95.55% battery. But notice how it's counting down almost every single second. 50, 49, 47, 46, 45. It just keeps on going down. And that's because that's how much power it's supplying to your laptop. So at the same time as this is going down, that means that the battery level of my laptop is going up. Now, this is going to support a couple things. I can actually charge this at the same time as it's charging, or I can use this only to charge a device. It really depends on the type of setup that you want going on here. Now, I'm going to show you about the charging piece, right? Because this has power and it has power to spare. This also charges super fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug it because I want to show you the charging rate. Now, you're going to have a power bank that can charge at this speed, right? So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and I want you to see how fast it's going to charge in a second. So I have a meter here and a meter over here. So it basically is at 95%. And notice how it's going from 95.1, 8, 1, 9, 20, 21, 22. It's almost like every second it is increasing the battery level. Literally, it is basically charging at 88.9 watts. Now it went up to 92 watts. So this thing will charge very fast. And if I want to use it as a pass-through, which is what we're going to do right now, plug this in. So now what you're doing is I'm charging the laptop. At the same time, I'm charging the actual battery backup. So I'm charging this battery backup at 92 watts, and I'm providing to the laptop 34 watts, all at the same time. So again, what we're talking about here is, again, still the ability to be able to recharge your battery. And it says it's going to recharge this from 95% to 100 in 4 minutes. But then at the same time, it's going to give me enough power to charge the laptop at the same time. So this becomes a really valuable solution for those of you who need power on the go, but also always want to be topped off. So again, you can see 96.5% now. I'm going to unplug the actual power that I'm supplying because I just wanted to do the discharge, and my Mac is still charging. And you'll notice now that it's going to start going down. It basically says that as it's discharging, how long it will take to charge. It says it's going to take, again, this recharge as it's going, you'll notice 96.32, and it continues to drop. Output of 34.98. And the bottom line here is that the laptop determines the charging rate. So if you were to plug in, let's say, a Samsung phone, right, or an iPhone, that device is going to determine how much power it needs, not the actual battery. In this case, it just jumped up to 48.42. The cool thing, once again, is the size of this battery as we're doing all this stuff. You can see, not large at all. It's a little on the heavy side, but not terribly heavy because of the batteries. So this has some high-end batteries for processing. But this is, again, something that you can easily put it in your backpack, luggage, either carry-on or check-in because of the capacity of it. But it comes down to power and speed that both are about charging and discharging. In other words, how fast can you charge the battery? And then how fast can it charge other things? It's a solid product. So guys, that was the Sharge 300. Super good looking battery, fast. I have had probably every Sharge charger and solution since, I can't remember since when. They've all been super reliable. The batteries I have are still working well. They're still maintaining their charge. They're still charging their products. And this is going to be the new one that will be in my bag. See you in the next video.